We will solve practice 2.5. In that, question number 1, find the common factors of. Students, I will solve here first and fourth. Second and third, you will have to solve by yourself. Okay. Now see here, question number 1, 18 and 24. So, factors of 18 means what? Means 18 is divisible by which numbers? So 1. 18 is divisible by 2, 3, 6, after that 9 and the number itself. Okay. 18 is divisible by all these numbers. Then, so these are the factors of 18. Now factors of 24 means 24 comes in which table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, then again which? 12 and number itself. Okay. So, common factors. For this is only the reason we have to recite the tables properly. See here, easily I could tell that 1, 2, 3, 24 comes in these numbers, these tables. So, now common factors see, 1 is here also, So, 1, 2, 2, then 3, 3, then 6, 6, and then any other is there? No. So, these are the common factors of 18 and 24. But now similarly question number 4, factors of 56 means 56 comes in which table? So it is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 2, then is it divisible by 3? No, because if 5 plus 6 is 11, that means no. We cannot divide 56 by 3. Then can we divide it by 4? Yes. So, see, we can divide it by 4. So, write 4. Can we divide it by 5? No. 6? No. 7? Yes. 8? Yes. Then 9? No. 10? No. 11? Table there? No. Then which table it comes? After 8? 14. And after that, how many 2s are 56? 28 2s are 56. So, 28 and the number itself. Okay. In these tables, 56 comes. Now next is 64. Factors of 64. Means 64 is divisible by 1, 2. Can we divide it by 3? No. 6 plus 4, 10. No. 4? Yes. 5? No. 6? No. 7? No. 8? Yes. After that, see here, how many 4s are 64? Can anyone tell? 16. So after 8 in 16 table, it comes. How many 2s are 64? 32. 32 2s are 64 and 64 1s are 64. Okay. So from this we have to find out the common factors. Common factors are, see here, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, 8, 8. Then any other? No. So 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the common factors of 56 and 64. In this way, we have to find out the common factors. Factors means the numbers by which we can divide the given number. Okay? Followed? Question number 2. Find the common factors of. Same like question number 1. Only difference is here 3 numbers are there. We have to find out the common factors of these 3 numbers. Directly I will solve third and fourth one. First and second small numbers are there. Combine added with this. Okay. Now factors of 6 means 6 is divisible by. Now is it necessary to write 1 1 1 all the time? Because 1 is common factor everywhere. Got it? In all this numbers. So no need to write. Other than 1 we will see. If nothing is there common, then we can write 1. So factors of 6, or you can write also, no problem. So factors of 6, 1 means it comes in 1 stable, 2, 3 and the number is 7. Correct? These are the factors of 6. Now factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and the number is 7. Okay. Next, factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now from this we have to find out the common factors. Common factors. Which are the common factors? 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. In all three numbers, these numbers are common. 6, 6, 6, 6 and 6. So these two, mostly 1 is there, common in everyone. So the common factors of these numbers is 2, 3 and 6. Okay. We can say 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors of this, because 1 is everywhere. It is the factor of all the numbers. Okay. Now next week, these factors, fourth one, factors of 4. 4 comes in which table? 1, 2 and the number is 7. Then factors of 8. 8 comes in 1, 2, 4 and 8. And factors of 12. 12 is divisible by, or it comes in 1 stable, 2 stable, 3 stable, 4 stable, 6 stable and the number is 7. Okay. Now which are the common factors? 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Therefore, common factors, you can write common factors of 4, 8 and 12 is equal to 1, 2 and 4. In this way also you can write, or you can write only common factors. Anyhow you can follow. Question number 3 is find first 5 common multiples of. Means common multiples of first 5. We have to find out of first one 12 and 18. Means what? We have to write the 12 table and 18 table. See here I have written. After 120 also I have written. I have made the table. Means 12 11s are, 12 12s are, 12 13s are, 12 14s are, 12 16s are, like that. Okay? Like that I have written. Now and same as 18 table. So common, first common multiples. First 5 common multiples of 12 and 18 are 12 and 18 are. Which are the common multiples? Means which numbers are in both the tables, which number comes here. 12 3s are 36, 18 2s are 36. After that 12 6s are 72, 18 4s are 72. Got it? Then again this 12 9s are, and here 1 0 both. After that which number is common? 144, here also 144, and then last 180 and here 180. See how many are there? Total 1 2 3 4 5. Got it? So common multiples of 12 and 18 are 36, 72, 108, 144 and 180. In this way we have to find out the common multiples. See what we did? I have written the table, but I have extended the table of 12 because here only if we will see, then only up till 3 numbers only we would have gained. But we want 5 common multiples. So I just increased 12 table. Why 12 only I increased? Because 12 is smaller than this 18. So I increased 12 table. Okay. Now next we will see. Next question is find first 5 common multiples of 24 and 32nd. Okay. So what I have done here, I have written all the multiples of 24. Multiples of 24 means we have to write 24 table. But students, to write the tables only till 10 it's not enough. We have to extend that table. Okay. We have to go on multiplying it and we will have to find. So because we want first 5 multiples, common multiples, means that number should be here also and here also. So here both tables I have extended. So now which numbers I found here? 120 is here also, in 30s table also. Then after that 240 is in 24's table also is there and in 3's table also there. After that I found 360 in both the tables. See, and then 600. Okay. So overall first 5 common multiples. So how to write? Common multiples. First 5 common multiples. You can write in that way also. First 5 common multiples of 24 and 30. 24 and 30 are, what are the numbers? 120, then 240, then 360, 480 and 600. In this way, by making the tables, we have to find out the first 5 common multiples. Got it? Now next question, student. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? Co-prime numbers means what I said. Any 2 numbers who is having only one as a common factor in them. Okay? Such numbers are called as co-prime numbers. So let us see. Now 20. What we will do for that first? Factors of 20. By which number we can divide 20? 1, 2, 4, 5. Then directly 10. Okay? And the number itself. Now, factors of 25. 25 is divisible by 1, 5 and 25. Okay. Now let us see common factors of these both. Common factors in 1, 5. Got it? 1 and 5. Means it has 2 common factors. So can we call them as co-prime numbers? No, because for co-prime numbers we want only 1 as a common factor and here 2 common factors are there. So how to write? Therefore 20 and 25 are not co-prime numbers. Okay. Now next is second one, 27 and 29. So what we will do? We will write factors of 27. Means 27 comes in which table? By which numbers we can divide 27? So 27 divisible by 1, 3, 9 and the number itself. Okay. Now next is factors of 29. Now we have learned prime numbers. Do you remember? So 29 is a prime number. It doesn't come in any other table. That means it is divisible by 1 and the number itself, 29. Now let us see the common factors. The common factors of both the number is 1. Any other number can you see here? No, only 1 is a common factor. So, therefore, 27 and 29 are co-prime numbers. We can call them as co-prime numbers.